Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, name, periodic table and periodicity of properties. First of all, what is periodic table and what is periodicity of properties? Dear students, as we have learned that there are 92 elements naturally occurring and total elements are 118. The scientists were worried about how to arrange the elements in regular pattern in arranged pattern. So they want to make a some proper thing. That name was a periodic table. They made a table to arrange the elements that was called periodic table, and periodicity of properties mean repeating of properties. So first of all, what is periodic table? The orderly arrangement of elements generally coincided with their increasing atomic number into periods and groups is called periodic table. Periodic table is a table in which elements are arranged in order wise, mean to say in regular pattern, generally coincided with increasing their atomic number. That atomic number we have already learned about in chapter number 1. It is a property of element. Number of protons in an element is called atomic number. So many scientists tried to arrange elements in many patterns and many ways, and final way was that the elements were arranged according to their increasing atomic number. The elements are arranged into groups and periods. Periods are called horizontal lines, mean to say left to right, this in this way, and groups are called vertical lines, up to down. So students, as we have learned that many scientists and chemists tried to arrange the elements in various methods. Some of various attempts to arrange elements are there. First one is de Bruynier's triad. De Bruyner was a German chemist. A German chemist, de Bruyner observed relationship between atomic masses of elements. He arranged elements according to their atomic mass. What was his method? A several group of 3 elements called triad. He arranged a several group of 3 elements. How to arrange? In these groups, the central or middle element had atomic mass average of other 2 elements. For example, if we take any 2 elements, then the average atomic mass of both 2 elements is the atomic mass of third element. For example, we can say atomic mass of strontium 88 is average mass of calcium 40 and barium 137. If we take average of 40 and 137, how to take average? 40 plus 137 divided by 2. When we will add these, this will be equal to 177. When 177 will be divided by 2, that will be equal to 87.5. Mean to say atomic mass of strontium will be equal to. So this was method of de Bruyner. After de Bruyner, another scientist or chemist named Newland. In 1864, a British chemist Newland put forward his observation in the form of law of octaves. He put forward a law, that name was law of octaves. Octave mean 8. What was his procedure or what was his rule? He noted that there was a repetition in chemical properties of every 8th element if they were arranged by their increasing atomic masses. If we arrange element according to increasing their atomic mass, we can find a repetition of chemical properties. For example, if first element has a property of gas, then ninth element will also have the property of gas, because after every eighth element, ninth element has property of repetition. So he noted that the element have repetition in chemical properties after every eighth element, but condition was that if they are arranged in according to their atomic mass. So Newland arranged the elements in this way. The third scientist or chemist was Mendeleev. Mendeleev also arranged the elements in all of these three chemists, Mendeleev, Dobrynner and Newland. Mendeleev put forward a good periodic table, with some good qualities or good features. A Russian chemist Mendeleev arranged the known elements only 63. That time only 63 elements was discovered. So Mendeleev thought to arrange the elements in order of increasing atomic masses. He arranged the elements according to increasing of their atomic masses in horizontal rows called periods. He arranged the elements in horizontal rows according to increasing their atomic mass. He stated as properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. He said that the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic mass. For example, atomic mass of any element has different properties, but the properties of these elements are periodic function. Periodic function means repetition. Mean to say there are many elements which have a similar properties, so they have periodic function of their atomic mass. And dear students, all these three theories related to periodic table, Newland octaves, Mendeleev periodic law, and first was Dobrynner triad. These all were based on atomic mass, but a modern periodic table tells us that elements arranged in atomic according to their atomic number can be arranged in regular pattern. The modern periodic table is based on atomic number. These all theories were based on atomic masses. So students, this was our today's topic. You should revise it and practice it. If you have any question, you can ask again. Tomorrow we will do next periodic table, that will be called modern periodic table. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.